This dance is called Lonely Inside. It's a 64 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot, skate forward on the right, skate forward on the left, shuffle forward on the right. Skate on the left, skate with the right, shuffle forward on that left. That set of steps once more then, skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle. Cross the right over the left, step back on that left, chassé to the right. Cross the left over the right, step back on the right, chassé to the left. That set of steps once more then, cross back chassé off on the right. 7, 8, cross back, right chassé, cross back, left chassé. Add those two together. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross back, right chassé, cross back, left chassé. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Into a full turn over 2 steps, so half a turn right as you step back on the left, half a turn right as you step forward on that right. Into a mambo step, left foot leading, rock forward, recover, left beside right. That set of steps once more then, forward rock, half shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step. Now that full turn is by virtue of its name a full turn. Should you need to try and take that out, your non-turning steps would be walk, walk. So you've done your forward rock, half shuffle, you walk forward left, walk forward right, and then you go into your left mambo step. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the walk-through. I'll actually be dancing the non-turning walk-walk option where the music is on. I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So add that section to the top. Skates up on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross back, right chassé, cross back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, full turn, mambo step. We're going into a set now of mambo steps. So we're going to start with a right mambo forward. So you rock forward on the right, recover on the left, right beside the left. Back mambo on the left. So you rock back on the left, recover on the right, step the left beside the right. And then a couple of mambo crosses. So you rock to the side on the right, recover on the left, cross right over left, rock to the side on the left, recover on the right, cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Mambo off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, mambo cross, mambo cross. That's our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross back, right chassé, cross back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back mambo, mambo cross, mambo cross. From our halfway point then, we're going to start off with some step pivots. So you're going to step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn left. Step forward on the right, pivot another quarter turn on the left. Into a jazz box with a cross. Cross, back, side, cross. That set of steps once more, then step pivots off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Point the right to the side. You're going to now turn a quarter right as you bring the right back beside the left. So just think about doing a Monterey turn, just do the first 2 steps. So you're going to point, quarter turn. Then you're going to add on a Mambo cross. So you're going to rock to the side on the left, recover on the right, cross the left over the right. And repeat. Point the right to the side, quarter turn right as you bring the feet together into that Mambo cross, rocking to the side on the left, recover, cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Point turn, Mambo cross, off on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, Mambo cross, point, turn, Mambo cross. Let's add that to our halfway point. Step pivots off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, Mambo cross, point, turn, Mambo cross. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. Chassé to the right with a quarter turn on the end. Side, close, quarter turn. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself 3/4 of a turn to the right, so you're back facing the back wall, chassé to the left. That set of steps once more then. Side behind chassé turn off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, chassé turn, step, pivot, left chassé. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn in that section. So you chassé quarter, step pivot 3/4, you end up back where you started. Should you need to try and take that turn out, what you can actually do, set the right to the side, cross the left behind. Chassé to the right, but do not turn. Then rock back on the left, recover, chassé to the left. Take that full turn element out of that section, should you need to. So let's add that to our halfway point. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, Mambo cross, point, turn, Mambo cross, side behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. When you do that rock back, you're actually crossing behind the left on that rock step. So it's a cross back rock. Kick, ball, cross. So you're kicking forward, ball, cross. Rock to the side on the right. Recover your weight on the left into a sailor quarter turn. And we're going to touch at the end. So you're going to cross that right behind the left. You make that quarter turn right. Step the left to the side. Touch the right beside the left. So it's a sailor quarter turn with a touch. That set of steps once more then, that cross back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, turn. Now remember to touch at the end. So that is the end of the dance when you get to that point. Let's add that to our halfway spot. Step pivots off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, Mambo, cross, point, turn, Mambo, cross, side, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, touch. That's your two halves. Let's put them together. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back mambo, mambo cross, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, mambo cross, point, turn, mambo cross, side, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, touch. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with counts. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-ball dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back mambo, mambo cross, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, mambo cross, point, turn, mambo cross, side, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, touch, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back mambo cross, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, mambo cross, point, turn, mambo cross, side, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, touch, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back mambo cross, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, mambo cross, point, turn, mambo cross, side, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, touch. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 5 after 24 counts. So you will have done your full turn, your first mambo step, that is your restart point. So wall 5 is our 12 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 24 counts, restart the dance. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, restart, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle. So hopefully you can see where that restart fits in. 24 counts into wall 5, which is your 12 o'clock wall. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, your restart information. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Skate, skate, right shuffle. Skate, skate, left shuffle. Cross, back, right chassé. Cross, back, left chassé. Forward rock, half shuffle. Full turn, mambo step. Mambo step, back mambo. Mambo cross, mambo cross. Step, pivot, step, pivot. Cross, back, side, cross. Point, turn, mambo cross. Pull, turn, mambo cross. Side, behind, chassé, turn, step. Pivot, left chassé, back rock, kick ball cross, side rock, similar touch, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back mambo, mambo cross, step, pivot, cross, back, side, rock, point, turn, mambo cross, point, turn, mambo cross, side behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, kick ball cross, side, rock, sailor touch, skate, skate, right shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back mambo, mambo cross, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, mambo cross, point, turn, mambo cross, side behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor touch, skates, cross back, forward rock, mambos, pivots, full turns, side behind, back rock, skates, to restart wall, cross back, forward rock, restart, skates, cross back, forward rock, mambos, pivots, full turn, side behind, back rock, skates. Hope you managed that one.